So what is recursion in Java? So recursion is the technique of making a function calls itself. This technique provides a way to break complicated problems down into simple problems which are easier to solve. It is always made up of two portions, the base case and the recursive case. So what is the base case? So the base case is the condition to stop the recursion. So this base case is the reason to stop the recursion or the loop. While the recursive case is the part where the function calls on itself. So this is our looper, the recursive case. So this is how recursion works in Java. So first, I declare the main method, which is it has input a value 5. And then after that, I created the method. So this one right here will find its same signature. So this since this is its same signature, it will pass the value of 5 here. And then we use the if statement. So first, here in the if statement, we put a condition that if a is equal to 0, then he will print the 5 star. But if it's not, the else will perform, which is he will print the asterisk or the star. And then we call the method, this method, we call the method and declared it there, and then put a condition a minus 1. So after it will find the same signature, here it passed the value of 5. So the value of a now is 5. It has the value of 5. Then it will go to this curly braces and then go to the if statement. A is a equal to 0. It is false. So since it is false, it would go directly to else and then print 1 star. After that, you can read this one, a minus 1. So the value of a is 5 minus 1, so it has the value now 4. So go to the curly braces. After that, we'd go again to this method. So the value of a now is 4. It has the value of 4 now. So it would go to this curly braces again and then if statement a equals to 0. So a now has the value of 4. So does 4 equals to 0? That is false. So the else will catch it again and then print 1 star. And then the method a minus 1. So the a is it has the value of 4. So 4 minus 1, it is now 3. So go to the curly braces and then go back again to the method here. And then the value of a now is 3. So after that, going to curly braces again and then if a equals to 0, so the value of a now is 3. So 3 equals to 0, that is false. So the else again will catch it and then print 1 star. And then read this recursion. A minus 1. So the value of a is 3 minus 1 minus 1. It is now 2. So after that, go to curly braces and then go back to the method again here. And then the value of a is 2. Just put 2. After that, go to curly braces again and then if it will read the if a equals to 0, so the value of a is 2. So 2 equals to 0, that is false again. The else will catch it again and then print 1 star. And then after that, gonna read this recursion a minus 1. So a, the value of a is 2. So 2 minus 1 equals 1. Go to the curly braces and then go back to the method again. And the value of a is 1. Right. Go, and then after that, you're gonna go to curly braces again and then read the if statement. A equals to 0. So the value of a is 1. So a 1 is equal to 0. That is false. The else will perform again. Print 1 star. After that, read this 1 and then a minus 1. So the value of a is 1. 1 minus 1 equals 0. After that, gonna go to curly braces and then go back to the method again. So the value of a now is 0. 0. So after that, I'm gonna go to curly braces and then now, if a is equal to 0, he will print the star, 5 star. So the value of a now is 0. So 0 equals to 0, which is true. So he will print the 5 star. So that's the recursion stops. Our if statement here is the base case, and the else statement is the recursive case. So this is our stopper, and this is our looper. So that's how recursion works.